this young man has been doing so much for our traditional sound. So tonight, let's put our hands together for King Enakpodia. Let's put our hands together for him. Yes, he's the Indigenous Artist of the Year 20. Alright. Congratulations. Urhobo. Hey. Urhobo. Hey. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you guys. I want to thank God for this opportunity, because without God it's not going to be possible. And I'm not going to stand there without the life of Omokomoko Josimanja Warriaward. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to dedicate this to the late Chief Warriaward, because I followed their footsteps. God bless you guys for this one. Are you ready? Let's do one song. Are you ready? Yeah. DJ, please, let's go. No time.